before even starting, can we speak about the jingle? Shout out to Famiglia Coaletti that made it for me. You will find the link in the description. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to spread awareness on the global pollution. And to do so, I started with the smallest step that I could, my backyard. We're still building this house, so in the surroundings there are some residues of the construction trash, but there is also human trash, unfortunately. In this video, I made a DIY out of the trash that I found, and I really hope that this will spread awareness to everyone, not to produce any more trash and maybe collect the trash that you find on your way.
Wow, it is an adorable and bright day. Are we going to the seaside? No. DIY channel, we're gonna get our hands dirty. But let me tell you, in these days for a project I was digging my garden, and when I was digging it I found a lot of trash that maybe workers left under the soil. I found in the ground a lot of trash. Let me see if I can do something. So I was thinking today we're gonna go for all around the garden. We're gonna collect all the trash that I can find, and then we will see what to do. For example, plastic and a bottle cap. Hidden treasures. Blech. This is not trash, but wow, how beautiful. I can use it. This is not for you, Benny. I'm so happy because every time I go in the garden, they follow me. 1 pop, 2 pop. We will see if someone else is gonna join us, our little tour. Right, Argo? What is it, Argo? Hey, this is my hidden treasure. Oh, piece of plastic. Very interesting spot. The heck, and what are you? It's really unfortunate that it's almost full. Look what I found! It's a nest! Argo is a big ecologist. When he sees things around you, here we are, you see? No, Argo, don't touch anything. Because when he sees things, like bottles of water, oh my god, he's obsessed with them. So he catch them and then he brings them here in our house. We can free all the hills around from trash. Right, Argo? What did I just tell you? Argo, please. Okay, done. 2 bags. The good thing is that everything is clean all around. I'm brainstorming in front of a bunch of trash. At the beginning I thought that I want to do something really organic, but maybe I want to do animals. I don't know if I'm able to do animals, but why not trying? Look, I even found 2 soles. Maybe a cat, and this is like the thigh. Hot glue gun. First leg. Second leg. These are the chunky thigh that they have. So, what are we gonna do for the inner part of the cat? Is it a nice belly? I like it. Look how cute! Why wind today? Why? Trash all over my porch. Wait a second. Because I don't want to stop right now. Now that I have inspiration Look what I created against the wind. A safe room outside. I put 2 chairs so that this will stay open, and in the inside I'm gonna work with my trash. With my trash. Let me see how. Nice. I like it. Look how it is for now. Sorry for the noise, but what do you think? I think that right now I have to start, like, here is the neck, more or less. Look, I think I'm gonna use this as a neck so I have a reference. Like, seriously, I am having so much fun. I think that this is the best DIY that I have ever done. I wasn't sure about it, that's why I couldn't start it, but right now I'm going with the flow. Look how fluffy it is! I need more fur here. I have the most beautiful tail in this world. I tried to put a leg, the tail, and I think it's the right proportion. It's like an old Ukrainian lady. What do you think? Ooh, I don't even show you all the passages because I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, it started to coming together with the ears. And I am gonna use this for the nose and the mouth. I think it's better with one eye. I don't know why, but I prefer it with one eye. I don't know if it's a dog, a cat, or what, but I am gonna use the whiskers. This for the whiskers. Let's see. Boys. Amore. Let me see if you look alike. Boys, I can't see you.
And that's it also for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As per usual, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's the red button down there. See you in the next one. Bye!